Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you how to make this cute and simple flower headband. The supplies you're going to need include 3/8 ribbon, a headband, rhinestone, hot glue gun, needle and thread, cutting utensils, lighter, and a measuring device. So for our inner flower, we're going to go ahead and cut 4 strips that are 6 inches each. For our outer flower, we're going to go ahead and cut 4 strips that are 7 inches each. Now just heat seal all of your ribbon. Take your ribbon that are all the same length, make them sure that they're all even, fold them in half, take your needle and thread, and we're going to stick it through the bottom right in the center of the ribbon. Next, fan out your ribbon that's on your needle, and then we're going to go ahead and start making our loops, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. Now this is how your bow should be looking so far, and next we're just going to go ahead and pull the needle and thread through it a few times and then knot it on the end. Now just repeat the same steps with your other ribbon. Now I'm just trying to figure out which rhinestone will look best in the center of this bow. Let me know in the comments below which one would you have went with, the Mickey Mouse, the star, the flower, a rhinestone, the bow. Just let me know in the comments down below. Now we're going to go ahead and start putting our bow together. Go ahead and put a dab of glue right in the center of your bottom bow. Put your top bow right on top of your bottom bow. Put another dab of glue right in the center of your top bow, and then put your rhinestone in the middle of that. Now you just want to go ahead and add your bow to either your headband, your hair clip, whatever you're using, and then our bow is finished. Right here, I'm just burning away any hot glue strings. And here is our finished headband. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because I do post a lot of hair bow videos, and I also do a lot of giveaways. But I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you all in my next video.